Hello guys, this is the projects which I have all listed here. These are my projects which I have made myself in my course. They provide a platform like this to make the projects and where you can publish all your projects, which will help for interviewers to show your projects easily. Okay, among them, I made a project on especially for the Diwali, so we can go through that. Here is the project which I have made and going to that. Okay, this here you can see this here in the white space area, the your image can be displayed, or the image you like you can place here and convey the wishes to your friends or families like that. But it will be stored in the local itself. You can't share your image, I mean image placed here by using this link or any. So let's see how we can do. Yeah, just simply click on this choose file button here and just select your image what you want to display and see. Here it is. Yeah, this is the image you need to see, and you can convey this thing to your friends. Actually, we can't share this image to I mean link or dynamic link, and your image will be displayed like that. So simply just click Windows Shift S button, and you can click, you can select this image area like this, and it will be copied, and you can paste anywhere else in the chat or WhatsApp's chat. Okay, it will be very useful to you. Yeah, and then you can delete this image if you want to change. This is just delete this image by clicking this delete button. Yeah, here it is. Yeah, I think it's getting more pressures. Yeah, here it is. Again, you can change another image. I will select this one. Yeah, here it is. Okay, like this. I show this image for example. Um, okay, because I didn't have another images like best ones. Okay, hope you guys enjoyed well about this project, and you guys can find this project link in the description of this video, and enjoy this project. Thank you guys.